Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 11th December 2025. Volkswagen Group is offering early retirement to all of its 2,300 workers across its two factories in India, as the automaker seeks to overcome obstacles to growth in the world's third largest car market. Volkswagen Group has embarked on a broader restructuring in India, where it is contesting the country's biggest import tax demand yet of $1.4 billion for allegedly evading levies. The group, which sells its Volkswagen, Skoda, Audi, Porsche, Lamborghini and Bentley brands in India, has only 2% market share in India despite more than 2 decades of operations. Amazon will step up investments in India to $35 billion by 2030, an increase of about $20 billion from a previously stated commitment, as it ramps up 10-minute delivery and doubles down on other businesses. The latest investment pledge follows an announcement 2 years ago that it would plow in $15 billion by 2030. A large part of that, around $12.7 billion, was toward artificial intelligence and cloud infrastructure through Amazon Web Services. SEBI has allowed alternative investment funds or AIFs to either A. launch new schemes exclusively for accredited investors or AI, or large value funds or LWF, or B. convert existing schemes into such AI only or LWF structures. The revised framework provides regulatory relaxations to funds catering to these investor segments, acknowledging their sophistication, risk appetite, and ability to evaluate complex fund strategies. The Reserve Bank of India has issued the Rupee Interest Rate Derivative or IRD Directions 2025, providing a consolidated and updated regulatory framework governing rupee IRD markets in India. The master direction modernizes the earlier regime to reflect evolving market structures, product innovation, and wider risk hedging needs across the financial system. BYT Capital, founded by early-stage investor Amit Chand, on Thursday launched Rs 180 crore deep tech-focused fund that is expected to be closed by Q3 2026. The fund will look to deploy capital across 18 to 20 deep tech companies with check sizes ranging from Rs 3 crore to Rs 6 crore in early-stage investments, pre-seed to Series A. Tata Steel has entered into a pact to acquire a majority stake in Odisha-based Triveni Pellets Private Limited or TPPL. The acquisition is set to bolster Tata Steel's supply chain, especially in the crucial sector of raw materials. TPPL owns 100% stake in Brahmani River Pellet Limited or BRPL, which operates a 4 million tons per annum pellet plant in Jaipur, Odisha, along with 220 kilometer slurry pipeline. Law firms are hiring more capital markets lawyers. This is driven by a rise in initial public offerings and other fundraising activities. Demand for equity offering specialists is growing as multinational companies plan to enter Indian markets. Successful listings have encouraged global groups to consider listing local operations. This trend is expected to continue. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.